Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to download apps without payment method in iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone or any iPad and you want to download apps without payment method from your app store, so let's see how can you do that. So in App Store you have a lot of apps which are free and you can easily install them or download them without any payment methods. Now to do that, very first I recommend you have to try to connect with a stable and the strongest network connection. Then you have to try to set up your app store for the first time or for the first and last time to use your app store without payment method. Now to do this, very first go to settings, go to general, go to VPN and device management and just make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. Then go to language and region, select region and select your own country or region in which you are living. After selecting a region, just go back and here go to software update. You can also try to update your software. After updating software, go back from here, tap on your Apple ID, and here just select media and purchases. Tap on view account, and here you have to verify yourself using your Face ID or your Apple ID password. Then you have to select this country or region option from here, and here you have to select your own country or region in which you're living. So let's say I'm gonna select this one from here as I have already selected it in my iPhone settings. So just select this one option, tap on continue here, then tap on agree at the top right, and here now on this page you have to add your payment method. Or if you don't want to add a payment method, just tap on none option here. And now you have to enter your billing address correctly, enter your street. These two are optional, so you can skip them. Then enter your postcode. If you don't know about this, so you can try to search from Google. Then enter your town, your country, your name, your phone number, and after all, just tap on done option at the top right. And your app store is now ready to download free apps without your payment method. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.